In this video, I am going to tell you about the reduced syllabus for ICSE Class 10th Chemistry Board Exam of 2022. Okay, the chapter which has been reduced completely from the syllabus, it is the 13th chapter, Practical Work. And now you can see here tick marked some chapters. Those chapters from those chapters nothing has been reduced, that is from periodic table, periodic properties and variations of properties, then chemical bonding, analytical chemistry, electrolysis, study of compounds hydrogen chloride, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. From these chapters nothing has been reduced, and from the rest chapters let us see one by one what topics have been reduced. Okay, so from the chapter acids, bases and salts, from the fourth point, action of dilute acids on salts, till the last thing, which is action of dilute acids on carbonates and bicarbonates, that everything in between is reduced. Then from the chapter mole concept and stoichiometry, everything has been reduced, everything apart from the third point, which is vapor density and its relation to relative at molecular mass. Then from metallurgy, the second point, stages involved in the extraction of metals till de-electrorefining, this topic, this point has been reduced. Afterwards, from the chapter study of compounds ammonia, in the first line you can see ammonia from nitrides like Mg3N2 and ALN. You don't have to study ammonia from these, but you have to study ammonia from ammonium salts. Okay, then uses of ammonia also you don't need to study. And from points in the second point, it is been cut, ammonia from nitrides, this point is cut, and the last point, uses of ammonia, it is also cut. Then from the chapter organic chemistry, come to fifth point, the first sub point. In that, and ethane methods of preparation till ethyl bromide, cut that. Then the second point, methods of preparation of ethene by dehydrohalogenation till reactions, cut that. Then the third point, from methods of preparation till ethylene dibromide, cut that. Now the fourth point, from in the fifth point, uses of methane, ethane and ethene and ethine, cut that. Then from sixth point and seventh point, cut everything. As you can see from the chapters which are ticked, you need to study everything from that chapters, but from the chapters which are not ticked, some topics have been reduced. Subscribe to my channel to get information of reduced syllabus of other subjects, and that too in a short time.